मांडवी न्हंय देगेवेले पणजे पार्क म्हळ्यार क्वॉर्टर डेक प्रकरणात उच्च न्यायालयान महत्वाची दखल घेतल्या। गोवा बचाव अभियानान दाखल केले याचिकेचेर सुनावणी करीत न्यायालयान राज्य सरकार, टीसीपी विभाग, GCZMA आनी हेर संबंधितांक नोटीस धाडल्या। ह्या प्रकरणाची फुडली सुनावणी 11 ऑगस्टाक जातली। क्वॉर्टर डेक खातीर दिल्ली परवानगी आनी ना हरकत दाखलो रद्द करपाची मागणी याचिकेत केल्या।
So the PIL was filed to protect the Panjim Park, which is a public space, and that has been commercialized. Now, public spaces are governed by a doctrine of public trust, which clearly states that natural resources like rivers, coasts, public open spaces are held by the state as trustee for the public and future generation and cannot be alienated or degraded for narrow commercial gains. But the tourism department has leased out this to private entities for the purpose of development of infrastructure for tourism, and which is not permitted as per the doctrine of public trust.
The zone of that property is recreation. Recreation means it's a public space for the people to go to. Now, in the first place, the tourism department has clandestinely asked for a change of the zone from FP, which means public, that is a small part where the parking area is, and the rest of the part is recreational, asked the board, the PDA and the board to change the zone from FP. They're calling the entire thing FP, which is a fraud in the first place, from FP, and it has been changed to commercial, special commercial zone. So recreation, which is 5 FAR, has gone now to 300 FAR. This, first of all, is something wrong that the tourism department, the PDA and the government have done. The board has done. So this is one big wrong thing. Secondly, the thing is now they want to develop it. They've gone to the PDA, didn't get permission yet. Now they've taken a repair license just for plastering and waterproofing. They wanted it for an area of 130 square meters. CCP gave them a little more. But on the basis of plastering and waterproofing, they have built a lot of commercial area there. On that, they've even the tourism department has, even to the water resources department, encroached into the river. They made a cantilevered slab and they're using that.